Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to make copies of several Google Sheets at once, maybe you're organizing team documents or prepping for a big project, today's video will be a lifesaver. We're diving into how to quickly copy multiple Google Sheets using an awesome tool called Sheets Manager. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to duplicate as many sheets as you need in just a few clicks, saving yourself a ton of time and hassle. Let's get right into it. First things first, before you do anything else, make sure you already have Sheets Manager installed as an extension in Google Sheets. If you haven't done that yet, just head over to the Extensions tab up at the top, click Add-ons, and then browse or search for Sheets Manager. It's absolutely essential to have this ready because it's the magic wand that'll do all the heavy lifting for us today. Once you've got Sheets Manager installed and ready to go, you'll want to access it. So head right back to the Extensions menu that's up at the top of your Google Sheets window and look for Sheets Manager in your list of add-ons. Give it a click and then select Start. This action will pop open the Sheets Manager panel right inside your Google Sheets workspace, usually on the side. It might take a second or two to load, but don't worry, that's totally normal. Now in this Sheets Manager panel, you'll want to double check that you actually have the multiple sheets you want to copy already listed within your current Google Sheets file. If you've only got one or two, or if you're missing some, take a minute to add or bring in any that you need because the tool works with whatever sheets are present in your document. Think of it like organizing a playlist before you hit shuffle. You want all your songs in there. Here comes the part where the Sheets Manager really shines. Look up to the top right corner of the Sheets Manager panel. You'll see an option that allows you to select all of your sheets at once. This is a huge time saver compared to manually checking them one by one. Just go ahead and click Select All. If you only want specific sheets, you can tick just the ones you need, but for this walkthrough, let's keep it simple and grab them all. With your sheets selected, draw your attention to the center area of Sheets Manager. You should spot a copy icon. It usually looks like two overlapping rectangles or documents. That's your next step. Go ahead and click that copy icon. When you do, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. The option we're looking for is labeled Multiple New Spreadsheets. Select this, and what's going to happen is Sheets Manager will create brand new individual Google Sheets for each sheet you had selected. This is especially useful if you want each team member to get their own file, or if you want to organize your content into separate documents for easier sharing. At this stage, the copying process might take a few moments, especially if you selected a lot of sheets or if your sheets are particularly large. Don't worry if things aren't lightning fast, just let Sheets Manager do its thing. Once it's finished, you'll have a brand new set of Google Sheets ready to go, each one an exact copy of the originals you picked. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned a quick and reliable way to copy multiple Google Sheets with just a handful of clicks, right inside Google Sheets using Sheets Manager. If this tutorial saved you some time or made your workflow smoother, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel so much. If you have questions about any step or want tips for managing your files even better, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you and helping out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.